Video 4, and today we are at the House of Worship where we're going to be upgrading the system. Now, they currently have a Windows system with a projection to EasyWorship, which is currently underperforming. So what we're going to be doing today is actually changing the graphics card as well as the memory so that we can have a better performance when we are going to be using EasyWorship for projection. So hop in. So this is an NVIDIA GT640. This graphics card has about 4 to 5 different views. Obviously, as you can see, this is not the new Pascal chipset, so we want to make sure to upgrade to something that is much more sustainable. And this is an old Corsair 4 gigs DDR3 memory. So this driver was released on January 14, 2022, which is yesterday. I never upgrade anything to the same day that I'm upgrading. I don't upgrade anything on the same day because you never want to be the guinea pig for new products. So in this case, I will go to an older driver version, which I can use and I feel much more comfortable. So for that, I'll go ahead and just download direct from their website. So even though this might be an old method, something that I like to do to check to see what kind of system I have is just to go ahead and run DXDiag. Now I know that's back in the day from Windows 95 or Windows 98, but just do Windows R and then just type DXDiag. And that will do a diagnosis of the entire system, show you which graphics card you have, which motherboard you have, and so on. Come on. So as you can see here, it's running out on a Intel i3 4160 CPU. It has 16 gig of RAM. And besides that, you can also check out to see the display, which is the graphic card that it's currently using. So GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, which is the new one.
Hey, what's up? Future Ed here, and just want to let you know that if you liked the video, then make sure to click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release a brand new video. Now, for more tips and tricks on streaming and improving your stream, then make sure to watch the videos up here. And if you want to watch more awesome videos from Edio4 TV, then check the video down here. This is Edio4. See you on the next one.